Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Garage Unfiltered, and welcome back to another video. And it's Sunday morning, and as you can see, I've got the lift down with the 280 SEL 4.5. I'm going to get in the car, and part of this video is to demonstrate that the car does start and run, and so that I can use this video for potential buyers, because I do think I'm going to sell that car. Now, let's get a quick background on the car. I believe it has a head gasket problem. Yui and I have been working on this car. There's a lot of videos on it regarding the antenna, and I'm doing some work in the trunk, and I'm going to do another walk around video of the car as well, because I believe the car is worth saving. Do I have the ability to do the head gasket? Probably not, but somebody who does restore these cars and has an engine hoist and things like that could pull the motor and actually do it. I just don't have that. Do I want to try it? Yeah, I've rebuilt a couple engines in my in my past, but I'm not sure I want to tackle it. And I don't know if I want to pay somebody thousands of dollars to do that. Although I haven't gotten a cost on it yet, from someone. So more to come, but I really like the car. It has great potential, but I think I want to move on. My 300 SL is a problem. I'm going to do a video with showing y'all how to replace the voltage regulator on the alternator, because I've got the alternator to change out, and I'm going to change the alternator and the voltage regulator on the alternator, and then we'll change the alternator out of the car, because I'm not sure if the alternator is bad or what, but I believe a low voltage problem is the problem. The 350 SL, I don't know if you can see it over here. It's coming along. I'm still working on it. I'm going to have to stretch the canvas, and hopefully next weekend. Yui's been working a lot at his job, so getting him over here is a challenge, because I need his help. Because to stretch the top, we're going to have to and what I've learned is you take some extremely hot towels, basically boil some water, put some towels in them, put the towels on there, and then so it gets moist, and then you take a heat gun and you're pulling it, and we'll try and lock it while we're stretching it and heating it up, and then hopefully then you let it sit for a fair amount of time. Now, we've had some hot weather in Nebraska. I could probably pull the car out and get half of that by itself, but I really need some help, and somebody a little stronger than myself to help me with that. So without further ado, I'm going to let the video run. I'm going to take, I've got the battery charger on the 280 SEL, and I'm going to take that off, and then I'm going to get in and hopefully start the car and back it off the lift, and then I'm going to put it over here on this side for now, and I'll probably just cover it up. I really, I'm at a loss, on this car. I really don't know what to do. But part of the reason also for getting the car off of the lift for now is I promised y'all a video of changing the hydraulic suspension accumulators on the 560 SEL, and I have them in, and I want to put the car up on the lift and do that. So, all right, hood's down. Let's go around. And hopefully it'll start and we can get it off the lift. There's no power whatsoever. Well, that's a problem. That's interesting. There is absolutely no power on the car. Well, phooey. Well, let's put it back. Yeah, I have no power at all. Yeah, there is that, and I've had the battery charger. I had the battery charger on it. We have a severe power drain for sure. Well, I guess it's not going to come off of the lift, at least right now. Now, what I could do, there is just absolutely no power. See, not all videos have success behind them. What I could do is I'll need some help, but I could pull it off of there and then drag it over. But that is interesting. Absolutely no power. And I had the battery charger on it all night. I don't know if this battery is any good or what, but well, the 560 is not going to go on the lift right at the moment. So, short video. Interesting. So, well, there you go, folks. A short, non-successful video at Jeff's Garage. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hit subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up. And you see my backdrop? See what I got to deal with?